guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have my friend here with me, and we just got full out scammed. Look, we got too many snappers, and they are not very good, but they are cool.
Yeah.
But we should look for some at the fidget. The trading hut. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're here, and we're looking over here first. What's that?
The Among Us dimple.
It's an Among Us dimple. Oh, no way, you guys.
So good.
Let's look over here. Oh, no way! It's a puppet. This is so
Oh
cool.
my god.
Let's put these two fidgets by my backpack.
Are you guys filming a TikTok? No. Oh my god!
No way.
A mini heart puppet.
This is so cool. Okay, I'm looking over here. Oh, I see something. What is it? It's a bear puppet. This is so cute.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what's that?
No way! Don't tell me it is. No
Oh
way! This is so cool.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think there's a few more left,
Yeah.
but we gotta put these two by our back. Okay. Yeah, let's look by the trees.
Start at this one. Oh my gosh, what's that white thing? Oh my
No
gosh,
way.
it's a dimple dimple.
It's my dream dimple. This is so cool, you guys.
Oh my gosh, no way.
No way!
Alright. Think this.
A fidget pad!
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Pop tube.
So cool.
Alright.
Let's bring it. I think that's all. Let's bring it back. No way, you guys. Look at all of the new fidgets I got.
Oh my gosh. Look
Look at all these new fidgets.
We gained our fidgets back.
Okay, now I'm gonna go and trade with no one. I want to keep these. So, anyway, guys, I hope you like and subscribe to this video and give it a big thumbs up.
And there are boys playing kickball.
It's being kind of annoying. That
And
was
then
it.
my mom, hashtag to her, it's her birthday.
Okay, so anyway, I hope you like and subscribe to this video and make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. See you later.